In what could be termed as a historic judgment by the Supreme Court, the Apex Court today knocked down Section 6A of the Delhi Police Act and directed that no permission from the government was required to investigate officers above the ranks of Joint Secretary. The constitutional bench of the Apex Court today knocked down Section 6A of the Delhi Police Act that makes government permission mandatory, terming it as constitutionally invalid.
The Supreme Court's Constitution Bench has today, in a historic judgment, struck down the single directive which had been introduced in 2003 in the CBI Act and the CVC Act, by which the CBI was required to take the permission of the government for even investigating officers of the level of Joint Secretary and above. This absolutely dishonest provision had been introduced by the government after the Hawala judgment, when the Supreme Court had held that this same single directive, which had by then been introduced by way of an administrative order, that this was unconstitutional. Despite that, the same provision was brought in the CVC Act and the CBI Act in 2003, which has today been declared to be unconstitutional. The Supreme Court has held that this is interfering and obstructing corruption investigations against senior officers.
Senior BJP leader Subramanian Swamy filed a petition against the said section, maintaining that it discriminates while probing a senior level officer and a junior level officer. Supreme Court lawyer Prashant Bhushan apprised the media about the order and said that the investigating agency, CBI, will now not need the permission of the government to probe the officers.
The Supreme Court has also held that this is totally discriminatory, because under the Constitution, under Article 14, all people are considered equal, and just because officer happens to be a senior officer above the level of Joint Secretary, he cannot be granted this kind of protection or immunity from corruption investigation.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.